But I would say that I'm astonished at what I've just heard, because in the run-up to the elections, the current administration promised a state of emergency and the repeal of LI 2462. Look, we face an existential threat. We are being poisoned. So this is not the time to be playing around. If we don't want to use the word state of emergency, because we already know what a state of emergency entails. Then we had asked for a targeted one, not over the whole of Ghana, a targeted one. You don't want to declare a state of emergency, then do whatever needs to be done, declare the forest reserves, security zones, or whatever you need to do, and make sure that you are able to get all the resources you need to remove the environmental terrorists and their equipment from there. Do the same with the water bodies. Water is life. Our waters are being diverted, they're being poisoned, and we don't think there's a need for a state of emergency. Our farmlands are being destroyed. 2.5 million peasant farmers are at the risk of losing their livelihood. Fishermen have lost their livelihood. People are losing their lives. When it came to COVID, we appreciated the situation and we made certain measures which interfered with our freedom of association and so on and so forth. Did anybody talk about the Constitution? We did what needed to be done to protect the health of Ghanaians. It's an existential threat. We are being poisoned. Konfuanoche Hospital has told us that the number of kidney cases have gone up 4 times. We've had maternal deaths. Mothers are giving birth to deformed babies. We are consuming food that has been polluted by cyanide and other things. What else do we need to hear before we realize that the window of opportunity to avert a catastrophe is closing and we need to act now? So you don't want to declare a state of emergency. What steps do you think you are going to take to ensure the safety of Ghanaians? Because remember, all we need to end this calamity is the political will, which sadly does not seem to be there.